Hi everybody, welcome back to Agape Ranch Homesteaders. Again, my name is Stephanie, and I just wanted to do a quick intro about quail. We do have some quail here on the homestead, and we have decided that there's something that we're not going to continue to pursue for several reasons, and I'll go over those in a little bit. But I do just want to cover overall the pros and cons of having the quail and the benefits that you can have with them on your homestead as a food source. So here is a quick look at the quail that we do have. These are babies that we hatched from our own eggs. We initially purchased some quail from another farm in the area, and we raised our first batch of 16 and then decided to hatch our own eggs. So we do have 16 out of 27 that hatched, and these are about a week old. These are Coturnix quail, which are not a wild species here in the United States. You heard mostly of like bob whites that are quail here in the area that can be harvested via hunting. But these are considered more of not a domesticated quail because there really is no such thing as a domesticated quail. They are considered a wild game bird. But you can, in the state of Kentucky, where we're from, we're in western Kentucky, you can have Coturnix quail without a license, and there are no restrictions as far as housing these particular type of bird. There are restrictions in this area over housing bob white quail because they are a native species. So you do have to have certain licensing based on the number of birds that you have and things like that. So you want to check in your own state to see whether or not there are any licenses or restrictions regarding having and raising quail. So like I said, this particular species is Coturnix quail. They're also known as the Japanese quail. These particular quail do have several different color variations. The ones that we have are primarily called the brown or pharaoh quail. And then we also do have a couple of the Tibetan coloration. As we go further into these videos about quail, we will go ahead and share with you sex identifying, things like that. It is different based on the coloration species or coloration variations that you have, but we will do some general care, maintenance, health concerns, and housing concerns over the next couple of videos. But these guys are really cute. They're tiny, and they're really fun to have. All right. Our next video will go over housing requirements, feeding, general care, things along those lines. So we hope you're enjoying the videos, and we hope to see you again.